Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my process of making this Dr.Manhattan rug that you see behind me right here. So let's get into it. Now that I'm back, it's been a couple days. You know, the fact that my hair is blue, that's for something completely unrelated, but the rugs are dry now, so I'm just going to go ahead and take you through the process of cutting them out and putting the backing on and stuff like that. And yeah. Alright y'all, so what you see me doing here is what I believe they call the waterfall binding method. It's basically where you go in and leave little slits on the leftover fabric that you have. That way you can easily fold it underneath the rug so that you won't be able to see the burlap or whatever fabric that whatever backing fabric that you use. It's just like an easier way to tuck. And then I'm just gonna go in and use some, I was about to say super glue, I mean hot glue, a hot glue gun, and just gonna secure those flaps down. That way you won't be able to see them. And you should pull, when you pull them, you want to be able to pull them so that a little bit of the edge is hanging over. That way you can be assured that you won't be able to see anything underneath the rug. Alright, so I think I've already mentioned this before. You can use pretty much anything to back your fabric, cloth, anything like that. I use felt. You can get this from JoAnn's for like $7 a yard, I believe, something like that. But felt has been working for me just fine, so I just keep using this. This one I'm gonna lay it over this. I'm not gonna cut quite yet. But I'm just gonna spray my spray adhesive. I use Gorilla Glue. I mean, you can get this pretty much anywhere. For like $4. Spray this on first, and then I'm gonna cut. Yeah, so let's do that. All right, that took, I don't even know how long to do. I lost track of time, but I'm done. Wait, wrong one. I mean, I can show all of them. I definitely would have wished I did some things. I wish I would have did a darker brown for her lips, but you know, this is supposed to be my initials, and I forgot to flip it. And then Dr.Manhattan himself. I really like this one. But yeah, all of these are probably just gonna go up on my wall unless somebody wants to buy them or something like that. But I mean, that's kind of why I started Tufting anyway. I wanted to make stuff for myself, so whatever. But if somebody wants something, I wouldn't mind. But yeah, that was just me taking you through the process of me making my rugs. I may have left some stuff out. I don't really remember. Hopefully I was clear on my process. If you guys have any questions, I don't mind answering those either. I like talking to you guys. And other than that, that's all I got. I just ordered some primary tufting cloth, so I'm really excited about that. It's the real deal stuff. But yeah, I don't got anything else. Peace.